No, sir, no doubt.
So I think first chapter is almost finished, I think, right? So we just do few questions based on it. So first question is just 14 divided by 108 plus root 96 plus root 192 minus root 54. Let's try to solve this. Try factorize and rationalize the denominator.
Okay, sir.
All of you can do that. Just try once.
Sir, 14 by 108 and all those numbers, right?
Yes.
Okay,
108. What we can write for 108? Two fours are 8. 2 is 16. 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. One pair, second pair. So 2 to the 4, 4 root 6 plus 192. 2 nines are 18, 2 6 are 12. 48, 24, 12, 6, 3, 1, 2, 3, 8, 8 root 3 minus 54. 2, 27, 2, sorry, 3, 9, 1, 3 root 6. All of you got the same answer till here?
yes, sir.
14 divided by what we can write this, and this is root 6. Root 6 we can subtract this one, and we can add 6 and 8, 14. 6 root 3 and 8 root 3 we can add, that is 14 root 3 minus root 6. Till here any doubt? Then we can multiply here by 14 root 3 plus root 6 divided by 14 root 3 plus root 6. And further what to do next? It becomes so complicated now. So 14 14s are, what is 14 14s are? 196 root 3 plus 14 root 6 again divided by 14 root 3 whole square minus root 6 whole square. So 196 root 3 plus 14 root 6 divided by 14 14s are 196, 196 3s are 18, 1, 27, 28, 2, 5. 588 minus 6. Again we can write 196 root 3 plus 14 root 6 divided by, you can take common, the common is already there, right? The common part only, right? No need to expand.
Yes,
this,
sir.
if you expand it become more complicated.
Sir, is there any way of cutting down 14 root 6 and 14 root 3 whole square?
Which one? For cutting down which part? 14 root 3 and
14 root 6 whole square. The above, sir.
this one you are saying?
Yeah, sir.
This part you are saying?
Yeah, sir.
14 and
Root 14 root 3 to the power of whole square.
not getting you exactly. You are
Okay, sir.
you are talking about this step. You are talking about.
No, sir. Sir, the second step on 196 root 3 and plus 14 root 6
Ah.
and 14 root 3 whole square. Yeah, sir, that step.
Ah.
Is there any possible way of cutting down 14 root 6 and 14 root 3 whole square?
No. If subtraction is there, you can't cancel it across. You can't cancel only.
Okay.
So 14
Okay.
root 3 by 14 root 3 is there. So can we cancel that? That whole one?
This one you are saying.
Yes, sir.
No, in addition, we never cancel. Addition, this is addition, right?
Yes,
You're
sir.
multiplying it into 14 root 3 plus, you're multiplying both the sides so that it will be easier for you and you can solve it.
Yeah, if you cancel this complete part, if you want to cancel, but why we are
Okay.
canceling? We are
Yes, sir. I forgot. We done rationalizing it, sir.
and see, this part is not required. If you see, you just simply write 14
Yes,
into
sir.
14 root 3 plus root 6 divided by 588 minus 6, that is 582. Can you cancel this again?
No, sir. Actually, we have done rationalizing now, sir. I understood. I forgot the steps, sir.
This will get cancelled. 14 4 the 56 is not cancel only. So maybe some other answer I have written here. Okay, don't check this part. Okay, some question, some other question might be there. So,
So is this the answer?
yeah, you can cancel further if you want. So 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, then 1 9s are 18, 1 291. This is your this is prime number. So this is the answer.
Okay, sir.
Just check once again. Okay, so this is the answer. We are not doing any mistakes here, right?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So next question. This you copied already? Okay,
Yes,
good.
sir. I did it with you.
Yeah. If you're not
So
copied,
1 minute.
yeah. Okay. So next question is, this one is very easy for you people, I think. Express this is in P by Q, right? This one is
Yeah, sir. I'm doing it.
1.3636. Sai Charan, what is the answer for this? Sai Charan,
Sir, should I tell I'm done solving it?
you already done this question number 2.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, sir. I'm done with it. I solved it.
So you do trade T like X is equals to 1.36 bar, right? So this is your first equation.
Yeah, sir.
And second equation
Sir,
is what? Yeah, 10.
Sir, I got 15 by 11.
You got answer as 15 by 11. Okay.
11.
So 100x is equal to, we can write 136.3636 dash dash the second equation. The second minus first, we get 99x is equals to 135. So x is equals to 135 divided by 99. So this will become, this cancel by which table? 9. 11 nines are 99, 9 ones are 9, and 9 fives are 45. So 15 by 11.
15. Yeah, sir.
So next question is, this question you do express the in the form of P by Q, this part 0.4323232. 0.4323232. Anyone solve this? So this is not the first equation. We should write just after point. The bar should be just after point. So we should write 10x. 10x is equals to 4.3232. So this is our first equation. And second equation is both 32 should come before. So we should write here 1000x is equals to 432.3232 dash dash dash. So this is our second equation. So second minus first. Second minus first.
Sir, I got the answer.
Yeah.
So 214 by 495.
We're getting the same what I'm doing here.
Yeah, sir.
428 by 990, right?
Yeah, sir. And then when you simplify it, you get 214 by 495.
214. So you are just cancelling by 2 table, right?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir. I too got the same answer.
2 4s are 8, and then 9s are 18, 5s are. Okay. So 214 by 495. So next question is, simplify this one. 8 plus root 5, 8 minus root 5. What is the answer for this?
So 8 square minus root 5 square. Root 5. 8 square is, yeah, 1 minute, sir.
X square is?
So 64 and so root 5 is, yeah, minus root 5, 59.
See, if anything is repeating twice, no, root 5 and root 5 2 times. So no need to find anything extra. 5 5s are 25, then again you should do then 5. No need to do that. If anything is
Okay, sir.
repeating twice, you just take the, you can just take only 5 on it. Root 5 is 5.
Yeah, sir. And the square and the root also gets cancelled, right?
Yeah. But see, if it is like this, no, then you
Yeah,
can't
sir.
cancel this. Then you can't can do this. Okay.
Yeah.
The root should be
Okay.
complete. The root should be complete. Then only you can cancel it.
Okay, sir.
Again, just do the second part. All of you just do the answer for us. Just want answer from all. Who's there next? Who joined?
Sir,
Yeah, tell.
sir, is the answer is 60 plus 10 root 2 plus 6 root 3 plus root 6?
Three party was saying answer.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell the answer what you're saying.
60 plus 10 root 2 plus
60 plus 10
6
root
root
2
3
plus,
root 6, sir.
like this was saying.
Sir, can you repeat it again?
You can see here on the desktop 60 plus 10 root 3, 10 root 2 plus 6 root 3 plus root 6, like that, right? Harini? See, you can hear me, Harini?
Yes, sir, I can hear.
See, I'm repeating your answer. 60 plus 10 root 2 plus 6 root 3 plus root 6. Is it?
Yes.
You got the same answer? Everyone got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Shit. Okay. So 10 should be multiplied with 6 plus root 2. And root 3 also should be multiplied with 6 plus root 2. So what do we get? 10 6 are 60. 10 6 are 60 plus 10 root 2. Again plus 6 root 3 plus root 6. Yeah, this is the correct answer. Next,
Yes.
last one. What about last one?
So for the C bit, we should use the identities A plus B and
Yeah,
A plus B whole square and A minus B whole square.
yeah. What do you get?
So 11 plus 3 or
11,
14.
11 plus
3, 14. Yes, 14, sir. 14.
11 plus 14. You are saying whole thing. You are saying 14.
No, sir. 14, sir. 14 is the answer.
It's a complete 14. You are saying.
Yeah, sir. Complete 14 is the answer.
All of you solve. What are getting answer for C part? Fifth C. Sai Charan, Shranvi. Solve the C part.
Is it -8?
-6. Okay. I need to check. See, root 3
-8, sir.
-8. Okay.
Yeah.
Anybody else? Sai Charan. What's your answer?
So mine is
Sir,
also
do-
-8. sir.
-8.
Oh, wait. I solved it individually. Just a minute.
Okay, A plus B whole square is A square. I just solving here, just look at it. Root 3 whole square plus root 11 whole square plus 2AB. 2 root 3 into root 11, that is 33. So this is one part. And this is going to multiply with root 3 whole square plus root 11 whole square minus 2 root 33. In this way you have solved, children. In this way only you have solved.
Sir, I got confused and I solved root 3 plus root 11 whole square.
Fine, fine. So root 3 whole square is 3. 3 plus 11 plus 2 root 33. Already you solved in this way only? Already?
No, sir, actually I'm confused.
Then how you people solved? Shreyanvi, how you have solved? Shreyanvi,
Sir, actually I said, but I used the formula, the identity A square minus B square, sir. Forgot and used.
A square minus B square. Okay, you can do that. Yeah, you can do that also. Yeah. A square
Sir,
minus
we
B
should use formula, sir.
Yeah, like this also
Like
you can do,
A
or yeah, A square minus B square you can do by this method also. A square minus B square. It will come same. Okay. A plus B into A minus B you can use. A plus B, A minus. Now this is more easier method. First you do this one. 14 plus, sorry, minus is there, no? Minus 2 root 33. So if you multiply, you get 14 whole square minus 2 root 33 whole square. So what you get? 14 14s are 196 minus 2 2s are 4. 4 into 33. 4 3s are 12, so 132. So your 6 minus 2 is 4, 9 minus 3 is 6. So your answer is 64, children. This is not the answer, okay? We understood?
Sir, but if we use, sir, actually first I have done wrong, sir. And
Okay.
for the A squared minus B square, if we use that identity, I'm getting 112, sir.
Okay, I'm solving that way also. Okay, wait. Root 3 plus 11 whole square, right? I'm solving it here. Root 3 minus root 11 whole square. Plus is there, right here? Root 3 minus root 11 whole square. Is it this only now? Is it the correct question?
Yes, sir. Same question.
Okay, fine. So here A is complete part. This is your whole complete A. This whole complete B. This is form of A square into A square. A. This is for no formula. No, this is not the formula only. A square minus B square should be there. Right. So here minus is not there in the middle.
Yes,
If I give here, then you can do that.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So in that way, in this way only.
So it's minus.
If you're going to write minus, then what is the answer? What you are getting? Just follow all of you, children.
112, sir. No, not 112 also, sir. No, it's
Okay.
wrong, sir.
Okay, solve. Take time, no problem. Do only once, but do it correctly. Don't do hurry anything. If you're going slowly, you will be confident. If you do hurry, you'll do mistake. Try to do it last only, not a problem, but do it correctly in one shot only. That is better option. So this a square minus b square you can solve, right? So this part is a, this part is b. Tell me anyone answer first. Let me get the answer from you people. What answer you're getting for this?
It's 6.
Okay, but Harani is getting 6. Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else? Anyone else got the answer? Shreyanvi, Sai Charan, and Akshit. Akshit, what you are getting? Akshit, Sai
Yeah,
Charan,
sir.
Shreyanvi. Yeah, Akshit, what answer you are getting? Akshit,
Sir, is it -8?
I don't know. Akshit, I should solve actually. Akshit is getting -8. Okay, anyway, no problem. Solve from your end, not a problem. Get wrong answer. At least you should try.
Okay.
Where you're doing mistake, that you should look into it. That's it.
Okay.
Sai Charan, Shranvi. Sai Charan, what answer you are getting, Sai Charan?
Sir, sir, I'm getting confused.
See,
Sir, here,
okay, look, children here. We'll just do it here. Just where you're getting confused, let me just tell you. Okay, a plus
Sir?
b, a minus. Yeah, tell.
Sir?
Yeah.
Is it
Sir,
is it minus 112?
What you're saying? Minus 194.
112.
104. Okay, 104. You're saying, right? Okay, let's
Sir?
solve.
112.
112.
112.
Minus 112. You're saying.
Sir,
Yeah.
Yeah,
sir,
Harani.
it can be 22 also, sir. 6 or 22, my answer.
Okay. Shravani getting 102, right, Shravani? 112, no? You're getting 112.
1.
Fine. So see, a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Go step by step. Now see, a is root 3 plus root 11 plus root 3 minus root 11. Okay. This is clear to you, children? A plus b. A plus b is clear, children, or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's clear.
Now see, here you may get confused. Sometimes you may do mistake. If here minus comes, both this one, this as well as this b part, the sign will get changed. Okay. So here root 3 will come in minus and root 11 will come in plus. Okay. Both the sign inside the bracket means b part, completely the sign of b part will get interchanged. Now you just write here. See, root 11 and root 3 will get cancelled, and root 3 plus root 3 is what? 2 root 3. Understood? If you add root 3 and root 3, will get 2 root 3. It's clear, children? and here root 3 will get cancelled, and here we are getting root 11. Root 11 is only 11. Sorry, 2 root 11. Yeah. So our answer is 2 2s are 4. 4 root 33 is the answer. So these all answers are, don't worry about this. Just try to understand where you are doing mistake. Next time you should not repeat. You might have done root 3 and root 3 is 3, right? So any steps you which you
Yeah.
are having doubt? Any steps you are having doubt here?
No, sir.
Arani, Sai Charan, Shreyanvi.
No doubt, sir.
Okay.
No doubt, sir.
So other method, other method also we can solve. Like here only what we have expanded here, no? Here only you can write here minus sign here. Okay. See, if you write here minus sign, see children here. You expand it till here, right? And write here minus sign. Don't forget this part now. Okay, forget this. Now what we should do, if here minus is there, so 14 plus 2 root 33 minus 14 plus 2 root 33. Okay, so this will get cancelled. So 2 root 33 and plus 2 root 33 become what? 4 root 33. In this way, our answer also came. See, 4 root 33 and top part also is 4 root 33 only. See, if you are doing with formula or with expansion, both answer will remain the same. Understood? See here also 4 root 33. And down also is 4 root 33.
Sir, we can do it in the way of like a square plus b square plus in that way.
That way only I told no. See, before we did no here. See, this first question we expanded only no. After expansion, I'm writing here minus.
Yes, sir. This.
This also we can do, no problem. The answer we are getting same. That I'm trying to explain you. The answer we are getting same in both the cases. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
All right. So this is the correct. Okay, if you are solving this one, this is correct only. Let's put eraser here if possible.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, question 6 A bit answer is 2 root 3 plus 2 by 2, sir.
Okay, you are saying first answer. Question 6A1.
Yes,
What you-
sir.
Okay, what your answer you are getting? Tell. Say your
Once again, which one? 2 root 3 plus 2 by 2, sir.
2 root 3 plus 2.
2 by 2, sir.
Okay. After that, you can take common also. If you are getting common 2 root 3 minus 1 divided by 2, this will get cancelled. Understood? This way also you can do. So first, just this is correct or not. Let me check.
Okay.
Let me check whether this is solved or not. So we have to multiply 2 by root 3 minus 1 to multiply by root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. So we are getting 2 in bracket. You can write root 3 plus 1. Don't multiply first. This is a better option actually. 2 into root 3 plus 1. Don't multiply this 2 inside. It may cancel. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here root 3 whole square minus 1 whole square. So we get 2 root 3 minus plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. That is 2 root 3 plus 1 divided by 2. So this will get cancelled. So here plus will be there, no? Plus, and here also plus. So root 3 plus 1 is the answer. These are the Bachu sums, right? These are the, you did, last class you did so hard sums. So in front of those sums, this is like Bachu. So next you do question number B of it. 7 by root 12 minus root 5. 7 by root 12 minus root 5.
Sir, I got the answer.
Yeah, tell your answer.
Sir, I got the answer. Root 12 plus root 5.
Root 12 plus root 5. Okay. I think this answer is correct. Because here you can see root 12 whole square minus root 5 whole square becomes 12 minus 5, that is 7. 7 will get cancelled. And 12 root 12 plus root 5 is coming. Everyone getting the same answer? All of you check. This answer is correct.
Yes, sir. Answer is correct. I too got the same answer.
Yeah. Okay, next question is C part of it. C part. To this answer, 1 by 8 plus 3 root 5. What are you getting for this?
Doing, sir. Sir, I got the answer.
Tell your answer.
So 8 minus root 3 to the power of, I mean, so it's 8 minus 3 root 5 by 19.
Yeah, West Orchard, Harini, yours answer. Sai Charan,
No, sir. I'm confused with this question.
Shranvi. Yeah, Sai Charan, you tell. Shranvi, you tell.
So I'm confused with this question, sir.
All right, Sai Charan, you. See, what is confusion here? It's very easy, no. See, 8, I understood where you are getting mistake. You are not able to do whole square this one, right? This part you are not getting, that's why you are not getting the answer. Otherwise, everything is fine here.
Yes, sir.
8 minus 3 root 5
Yes, sir.
whole divided by 8 square minus 3 root 5 whole square. See how to find the whole square. 3 is also going to multiply
Sir,
3.
it's
Yeah, tell.
sir, it's 19.
19.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, fine. See, if you are not getting this part now, just try to understand what I'm doing here. 3 is going to multiply 2 times and root 5 is also going to multiply 2 times. It means 3 3s are 9 and this is coming pair. So you should write only one. So 9 5s are 45. Okay. So this answer is 45 for this one, 3 root 5 whole square. So what we can write here? 8 minus 3 root 5 divided by 64 minus 45. Is it clear? So 8 minus 3 root 5 divided by 19. Now it's clear, Harini? Yeah,
Yes, sir. Clear.
fine. So this is very easy. 3 root 5 whole square, just 3 will multiply 2 times and root 5 should be there. That's it. See, within 30 seconds, this meeting is going to over. Okay, you can just join once again.
Okay, sir.
So next question is, you can write down the question.